Currently on question number 6, we are told if we have the endpoints of one side of a square RSTU as -1, 1 and S 3, -1, find the area of the square. In visualizing the square, we drew a similar square. We have RSTU. Now we have the diagonals of one side as -1, -1. Diagonals of the other side 3, -1. Basically, we are asked to find the area of a square. We'll recall that the area of a square is given by the formula the length or squared. Now, how do we get the length? The length is usually the distance from one vertex of the square to the other vertex of the square in the same direction. So basically, on the same line, we need to find the length. So basically, the distance here from T to U, distance from here to here, that distance is what we'll call the length. So how do we find the distance from one end to the other? We use the distance formula. So from the distance formula, the distance between 2 points on the same line the distance is giving us the square root of the difference between the x points, so we can say x2 minus x1 all squared plus the difference between the y points y2 minus y1 all squared. Now looking at the ordinates given to us, we could decide to say the first x point there, we could say x1 could be equals to -1 and y1 could be equals to -1. This next set of points, the first point there is usually denoted as your x. Now the next point is denoted as your y. So we could have x2 is all equals to 3 and we could have y2 is equals to -1. So therefore I'll have d is equals to the square root of x2 minus x1. So I would have 3 minus -1. We should be careful about the minus sign. So that will be 3 minus -1 all squared plus y2. My y2 in this instance is -1. So I would have -1 minus now y1, which is also -1 all squared. So therefore this will reduce to d is therefore equals to the square root of 3 minus -1. That will give me 4 all squared plus -1 minus -1. That will give me 0. So therefore I would have d is all equals to the square root of 4 all squared, which is still the same thing as 4. So the distance between any of those 2 points on the same line is the length, which is equals to 4. So therefore we could say the length is all equals to 4. So therefore the area, which is denoted as L square, would therefore be given as 4 all squared, which is all equals to what? 16. Looking at the options, that corresponds with option D.
Did you enjoy the video? Get a prep class tutor today. Call 080-59-811-502 or 090-3532-1117 or click the link below.